Hello friends, welcome to our channel Logical Developer. In this session we will see how to resolve an ArrayIndexOutOfBoundsException error. You can follow these steps. Step 1. Identify the line of code where the error occurred. The error message should provide you with the line number.
In this example, 5 elements are taken in array and declare variable value is equal to 5, but while fetching it will consider from 0 and 5 will thrown out and will display error.
Step 2. Check the size of the array. The index that caused the error is likely either too large or too small for the size of the array. Step 3. Check the index value. Ensure that the index you are using to access the array is within the bounds of the array. For example, if you have an array with 5 elements, the valid index values are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step 4. If you are using a loop to access the array, make sure the loop does not go beyond the bounds of the array. Step 5. If the index value is calculated based on user input, make sure the input is validated to ensure that it is within the bounds of the array. Step 6. If the index value is being passed as an argument to a method, check that the argument is not null and that it has a valid value. Step 7. If you are still unable to resolve the error, try using a debugger to step through your code and see where the error is occurring. Here is an example of an ArrayIndexOutOfBoundsException error in Java. In this example, the error occurred on line 5 when trying to access the element at index 5 of the array, but the array only has 5 elements indexes 0 to 4. To resolve this error, we need to make sure that the index value is within the bounds of the array. We can fix the error by changing the loop condition to I less than 5, like this. Now the loop only iterates 5 times, which is the number of elements in the array. I hope this video is useful to all programmers and developers to resolve this error. If you like this video, then share it and subscribe our channel to watch different type of errors in Java and FUP. Also press this bell icon to get notification of new uploaded video. Thanks for watching this video.